Hello friend, let's find Lightning McQueen. Let's go. Who is that? Tomato. Wow! Oh, who is that? Cruz Ramirez! Yeah!
You don't belong on this track!
Yes, I do!
This is Lightning McQueen! Yeah!
Ready, buddy?
Ready?
All right, then. Get her done.
Who is that? Ramon! Wow!
The Honorable Doc Hudson presiding.
Sure.
This is Jackson Storm! Wow!
Hey, McQueen, you alright? Listen, don't you worry, pal. You had a good run. Enjoy your retirement!
This is Lightning McQueen! Yeah! Oh, this is Luigi! Yeah!
Not too public. If the press find you, they will be like many, many bugs on you.
Paparazzi.
This is Lightning McQueen! Yeah!
Ready, buddy?
Ready?
All right, then. Get her done.
Oh, who is that? Cruz Ramirez! Yeah!
Started a racing school, formed a nonprofit that provides snow tires to the lightly treaded, and I'm learning French.
Wow, that's a lot.
Oui.
Who is that? Tomato! Wow!
Yeah, baby!
This is Jackson Storm! Wow!
Champ here has been a role model of mine for years now. And I mean a lot of years. Right?
Who is that? Ramon! Wow! This is Lightning McQueen! Yeah!
McQueen's the winner. Francesco second, and they have no idea what happened behind them.
This is impossible.
That's what I'm talking about. Ka-chow!
Hello friend, let's find Lightning McQueen! Let's go! This is Doc Hudson! Yeah!
I knew
you needed a crew chief, but I didn't know it was this bad.
I thought you said you'd never come back.
Well, I really didn't have a choice.
Wow, Tormentor! Yeah. This is frightening McQueen. Wow.
I'll do it real quick. You're making me uncomfortable.
Tag, you're it.
Tag, you're it.
Tag,
Tag, tag, you're it.
tag.
Cool. Chick Hicks. Yeah. Whoa, Fillmore.
This organic fuel is great. Why haven't I heard about it before?
It's a conspiracy, man!
Cruz Ramirez.
You don't belong on this track.
Yes, I do!
Wow, Francesco. Haha.
Bumper to bumper as they approach the finish line. McQueen's the winner.
Wow, Dinoca King.
Bet you're stupid.
Excuse me?
This ain't a one-man deal, kid. You need to wise up and get yourself a good crew chief.
Justin Marshall.
You was worried about me, wasn't you? Huh?
This is Justin Marshall. Yeah.
You was worried about me, wasn't you? Huh?
This is Doc Hudson. Yeah. Whoa, Fillmore. Wow.
There's a lot of love out there, you know, man.
Don't embarrass me, Fillmore.
Wow, Dinoca King. Yeah.
You know then?
Ah, this grumpy old race car in L1's told me something.
Wow, Francesco. Haha.
Is no insult. When Francesco is away from home, he misses his mama.